What? Oh no! What are you doing?
Mbuya.
No! This is my husband's ashes. Oh no! My beloved ankle pad. How could you do that? You should have asked me. My husband died 15 years ago, and look what you just did to me. No. Oh no. No, not to worry. It may cause you nose bleeding, skin irritation. How could you do that? Oh, my beloved, my rib. I told you that don't touch things everywhere. But this is my kitchen. I worked for it. I own everything in it. I own everything in this kitchen. Oh, so, it means that a part of him is gone. How could you do that? How could you do that? No, my honey bunch. Come, Tatenda, come. You need to answer me. What was your intention? This is my kitchen. It has no boundaries, especially when it comes to me. You might get some irritation on your face. Please go and put it in my bedroom. No, it's okay. I'll go by myself.